We are currently in Bolgatanga, precisely MTN office, where the whole place is flooded with water. As you can see buses, you can see gutters, you can see the security men standing outside. This is how the office is, and some customers are already inside the office, but outside you can see the water all over. Actually, we want to find out, is this what has been happening always, or is this the first time that this thing have been happening? And if this is not the first time, if this is not the first time this thing is happening, what is the MTN company doing? What is the government doing? What are the citizens doing to prevent this thing from happening? You can see cars moving in the waters. You can see even their canopy is lying in the water. What are they doing? What is the government doing? We citizens, what are we doing to solve this issue? This is MTN office that we are currently at right now. Yes, you can see it. You can see the waters. You can see how the cars are moving. Some are not even afraid. Wow, that is so amazing. See, a car moving closer to a gutter without being afraid. Yeah, that is how life is. Yes, you can see. Wow, that is so amazing. That is so amazing. And customers are not afraid. Some are passing through the waters to come to the office. Yeah, you can see that. Wow. Hey, see children passing through the water. See the cars. And actually, OA station is not far from the MTN office, and it's the same thing over there. I think they have to really do something. They have to really do something, because this is a bad situation. Yes, it's a bad situation for the organization, for the people, and also for the citizens as well.